burning bush. Now I am sending you to the king of Egypt. Go bring my peoples to the Israelite out of Egypt. Exodus 3:10. Hello, my name is Andy because I am practicing with my memory verse. It's called Exodus 3:10. Hello, I am 7 years old and happy to see you and good happy to listen to all activities. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Next time, prepare this video, comment down below, subscribe this video. Don't forget to like and share for anything you want because you are exciting for next time. We are thinking at the other video YouTubers.